Welcome to Chittagong Dry Dock Limited, your trusted partner for all your one-stop destinations for ship docking, repair, survey, inspection, and new building needs. With over 50 years of experience, Chittagong Dry Dock Limited or CDDL is a versatile state-owned maritime organization. Geostrategically placed at the world's biggest delta, CDDL is located on the banks of the majestic river Konofuli. CDDL is managed by the Bangladesh Navy, known for its professional excellence across the globe. At CDDL, we specialize in docking, repair, survey, and inspection of ships up to 175 meters in length and 24 meters in breadth. Our highly skilled team ensures that every task is carried out with precision and expertise. Keeping in focus our motto, committed for customer satisfaction. CDDL singles itself on utilizing cutting-edge technology and equipment to deliver exceptional results. Our state-of-the-art facilities and dedicated workforce enable us to meet the highest international industry standards. Chittagong Dry Dock holds ISO 9001:2015 certification and is closely aligned with the International Association of Classification Societies. Additionally, we are accredited by leading organizations such as ABS, DNVGL, LR, Bureau Veritas, Class NK, and China Classification Society, among others. Our distinction is in our commitment to customer satisfaction. We understand the importance of economizing efforts, minimizing downtime, and maximizing profit for your business. That's why CDDL strives to complete every project on time. Our major clients include Bangladesh Navy, Bangladesh Coast Guard, Chittagong Port Authority, Bangladesh Shipping Corporation, and many more. CDDL is getting ready for the future by expanding facilities, constructing a new dry dock, and enhancing shipbuilding, all while investing in technical training. Beyond our core commitments, we prioritize corporate social responsibility initiatives and also enhance employee well-being by investing in their future. This includes providing modern medical facilities and family accommodation for our employees. Moreover, we have established a school for local children and children of our employees, along with a technical training center to equip the young population with quality education and technical skills.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chittagong Dry Dock Limited is a leading maritime industry in Bangladesh. Its unique strategic location, robust industrial facilities, and unwavering commitment to customer have made it a distinctive brand in the maritime domain. Being Managing Director, I take the privilege and honor to welcome you for exploring our potentials.
Be assured that when you choose CDDL, you're choosing a partner that values effective communication, trusted partnership, and collaboration. So whether you require docking, repair, survey, new building, or inspection services, trust CDDL to receive excellent service. Contact us today and experience the unique expertise of Chittagong Dry Dock Limited.